Here at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, we are proud to present this Range Rover Sport Dynamic SE finished in the very stylish Santorini Black. So 3 litre diesel and does come with manufacturer's warranty up until September 2028. Sitting on those stunning 22-inch satin dark grey alloys. You've got the black exterior pack there as well. Very practical amount of boot space, no trouble fitting luggage, shopping or prams in. Moving to the interior, I've got the ebony leather finish, very comfortable to be in. Moving to the front, you've got a very well presented dashboard there, and you have got the sliding panoramic sunroof that added a huge amount of natural lighting to the vehicle. Taking a seat inside now, you've got ease of access to the navigation system, as well as your 3D surround camera, working hand with your parking aid, ensuring full confidence. Ease of access to a huge range of other features, including your front and rear heated and cooled seats, perfect for use all year round, and a huge range of other features there as well. For more information, please give us a call on 01228 599 000. Thank you.